G'day beer lovers. Today I'm at a place called Cowaramup. It's a little town that has gone berserk with cow statues. They're all over town. Check this town out. It's a bit of a hippie town. You know, there's a lot of new age shops selling crystals, fragrances, you know, all that sort of stuff. Let's have a little look around Cowaramup.
He's VB and he lives in Perth, making super videos for all his work. His channel is great, he's a good mate with Beryl, a feral southern hang.
G'day beer lovers. Yeah, Jeroen mate again here. VB Ed.
I eat grass and I moo all day. I'm a cow. I'm a cow. I eat green grass and I give white milk. I'm a cow. I'm a cow.
Cowaramup is a small town, population 988 people, located 265 kilometres south of Perth. Locals from the region often refer to the town as Cowtown, as a reference to the use of cows in the town's name and its history of dairy farming. Behind me is Cawaramup's candy cow shop. It's a very popular place. Check out all the people that are going into it. Follow me. Let's check it out. See what's so popular.
Who let them cows out? Moo, 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 moo. Who let them cows out? Moo, 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 moo. Who let them cows out? Moo, 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 moo. Who let them cows out? Well, the farmer was tired, the farmer was sleeping. While all of his farm hands was having a ball. Till someone left the barn door open. And that's when them cows went for a walk. And the farmer shouted, who let them cows out? Who let them cows out? Help me get them darn cows inside, back in time for milking. Get back, bossy, bad bossy, get back, you cut chewing animal. The farmer tells his wife that he is angry for the ranch hand's losing all his bovine. And as he rounded up the last Guernsey, he saw they let loose all of his swine. And the farmer shouted, who let them hogs out?
Hello there, mate.
Oh, here you go, mate.
You're chewing away. I'm guessing you've got some.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying some of the local produce.
Good. Yes, that's going to keep Ethan busy for another half an hour or so. He's pretty quick in the kitchen there, but we just need to get it all cut while it is still nice and soft and workable. Yeah. We let it go too long and it sets too much, then it just shakes.
Who let them hogs out? Who let them hogs out? Who let them hogs out? Who let them hogs out?
Good on the barbecue. Yogurt, curd, cream, cheese, and butters made from liquid from my udders. I am cow, hear me moo. I am cow, eating grass, methane gas comes out my ass and out my muzzle when I belch. Oh, the ozone layer is thinner from the outcome of my dinner. I am cow, I've got gas. I am cow, here I stand, far and wide upon this land, and I am living everywhere. From BC to Newfoundland, you can squeeze my teats by hand. I am cow, I am cow, I am cow.
For tourists exploring the southern part of Western Australia, Cowaramup is a must-see destination.